Turn even small lists into cash machines. Increase your conversion ratios today by 150%. Are you struggling to build and engage with your email list? Are 5% open and 1% click-through ratios the norm? Do you struggle to get fresh subscribers, and even when you do get people to join your list, is it hard to get them to open your emails and click? Well, today is your lucky day, as we are proud to announce Email Domination, the one-stop email marketing course that will help you build and grow your email list and help you engage with your list as well. These are the tricks and tips used by some of the biggest email marketers in the business. Stop struggling and start learning with over 64 videos that cover everything you need in email marketing. Making a profitable email list, building a relationship with your list, underground secrets of email marketing, building a list in the shortest possible time, making a full-time living email marketing, WordPress for automated list building, and much, much more. Email Domination simplifies every single aspect associated with building a successful list and can give you an instant boost in income. Unless you focus on building a responsive list, no matter how much effort you put into advertising your business, you will never come close to making as much money as you can with email marketing. Think about how a profitable email list can help your online business, and you'll quickly discover just how much money you're leaving on the table without one. Having a responsive and active subscriber base that you can email anytime you want, with literally no work involved other than typing up an email and clicking the send button. This video course will take you behind the scenes to help you understand how to build a relationship with your list. You've already heard this over and over again. The money is in the list. Or you're able to print money while you sleep. These are true to an extent, and only if you're able to master the process of attracting prospects, building relationships with them online, and getting them to take action in the form of buying your product or service. Okay, we've all heard it before, and that is, the money is in the list. However, this is true for some, but what if you're just starting out building a list and don't really know how to convert your list into buyers? Well, you can get help with this today by learning known tactics and methods found within Email Domination. So stop struggling and lock in your access today, as this is the cheapest you will ever see this course. Here is our promise to you. Try the Email Domination package risk-free for 30 days. And if it is not right for you, then all you need to do is send us a support ticket and we will refund every penny of your purchase. No questions asked. No quibble. Just a full refund. With our 30-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain.